guys, welcome back to today's video.
Well, basically we got a new car.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be shopping for it today. We got a little bit of things, like we got like a license plate cover. We're not gonna show you that. It's my license plate.
Lord.
Put this in. Can you point the camera at the phone mount in?
I didn't even notice that.
Change the blinker bulb. Put some floor mats in so far, and I gotta clean the interior because it's a used car. I mean, it's gonna happen. Yep. Off to Walmart.
Pause. Okay, so basically we're gonna be taking you guys shopping with us.
Yep.
For the car.
Yeah, we're gonna be off to Walmart.
Gonna do a little vlog.
We don't like
type
if you
of
want to
thing.
point the camera at the radio here. This is the current radio. Not good enough. I mean, there's no aux port there. Or yeah, there's no aux port there.
We don't even have aux
Yeah,
ports.
there's no aux port in our phone. There's not aux port in this radio. It's just I'm gonna replace the whole dash.
We gotta replace the windshield as well.
Yeah, there's a crack. I got a guy though. He's gonna do it for cheap. So yeah, definitely gonna need Bluetooth. I'm gonna replace the whole dash here. I might put a touchscreen in if it's not too pricey.
I really want a touchscreen, like, so bad.
Me too, but it's like they don't have a good median. The cheap one is like cheap, and expensive one's expensive. There's like not a good median one.
We're gonna look online.
Yeah, we're gonna look online probably. All right, well, we'll catch you at Walmart.
Bye.
Hey guys.
We're back. We're at Walmart.
We're in the car section, as you can see.
Oh, yeah.
We're looking around at stuff. Looking at the car jack right now. I really do need one.
We're just getting stupid stuff today, I guess. We're getting oil.
Oh, that's 5W30. I need 5W20.
I gotta do an oil change and replace the filter. Right, Tim?
Yes. Oil filters.
I got that right? Ooh. Impressive, right? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The ones that use less plastic cost less, obviously. Which I wouldn't mind if all oil just came in these boxes. It would save me money and it would save them on plastic.
Those are freaking awesome. But yeah. Okay, so yesterday we got a license plate frame and a wheel cover thing. And then I got handy dandy pepper gel spray kit. That has nothing to do with the car, but you know. Guys, I want to get these freaking cute little stickers for the car, but he won't let me.
It's ridiculous.
They're freaking cute. Oh, excuse my nails. They're freaking ugly right now. But yeah. Also, we got car mats yesterday too. Today we need to get stuff to clean the inside of the car because they're just a little scratched up and stuff. With dog hair all over, which I'm not complaining about because I got my own dog. Tough stuff.
Okay then.
I know, right? Get some air or smelly good things. I forgot what they're called. Get the fresh linen. Everyone gets the new car smell one or the black one. I don't know what it's called.
Black ice, I think.
Yeah, black ice. I don't like it, but everyone gets it. Everyone. This is the kind we get. The summer.
It smells great.
It smells fantastic. This is what our house smells like all the damn time. We get little wax cubes. And yeah.
This is waterless.
What the fuck? Is it just alcohol or something? Voted.
No wax needed. Or whatever.
Okay, so my handy dandy phone is about to die.
Yeah.
So that's
didn't
what I use
prepare
for a
charging.
camera. Leave me alone. Anyways, this video is gonna be cut short, and we're just gonna go get dumb stuff for the car.
Yeah.
So-
We'll finish the outro with the house.
Yeah.
So,
Bye.
see you then.
This is the car. And that's one on license plate. Smexa.